Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful spring inspired branch centerpiece. And this was really easy to make, and if you've got any fake flowers at home, they're normally stored in a cupboard or something, and you normally just plonk them in the vase and go, oh, that'll do. So I thought I'd come up with a different way on how to display all your beautiful little flowers, and I think this came up really well. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. First of all is that we need a long branch, but you can use whatever size that you want. You may need a smaller one, and I've just cut the end off so it's all nice and dry all inside. I've got a little bit this side and a little bit that side, so when I place it down it doesn't move. It's really nice and stabilised there. Right, so that's the first bit. Next I've got some of these little branches, and these were actually weeds that I've just painted white, and a tiny little bit of glitter as well to just make it a little bit sparkly. And I'm going to use these at the back here, so I'm going to use 3 of them. Next, for our springtime flowers, I'm just going to use some fake flowers. Now these look absolutely real. I mean, you can just use anything what you've got at home. Any fake flowers that you've got at home can create anything like this. You can do for spring, summer, autumn and winter. So rather than just being in your cupboard or anything like that, get them out and make a smart craft like this. So we're probably going to put one here, and then we'll put one there. I'm just laying them out so I know where I'm going to be. I'm going to put one in the middle here, one in the middle there, and one there. So take your time to have a look to see how your arrangement is going to look, and I think that that will make it look really beautiful. So all we need to do next is just drill the wood. Next we're going to need some different size drill bits, and this is for the larger one, and just have a look to see if it would actually fit the same sort of size. So this one's going to be great for the trees, and these ones are going to be great for the faux flowers. Now with our trusty drill, we're just going to drill 3 holes. Now we'll see if they fit. Now little white trees are in. So now we're going to put our fake flowers in, and we need to know where we are going to put them, and as I have 5, I'm going to put them in equal parts. So one here, or one right in the middle here, one there and one there. So we just need to drill some more holes. Check to see if it fits. Now we just have to place our next flowers into the holes, and I think these are absolutely beautiful and they look so real. And these beautiful ones. Next I'm going to put some little hearts on here, because it won't be a handy Emma project without any hearts. So I'm just going to place these. Bit of glue, place one at the bottom, and place the larger one right in the middle, and we're going to place 2 either end. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. As I say, it was a really nice easy little project, but you could add some extra little bits of pink flowers or blue flowers like the cornflower blue ones. If you've liked the video, then give me a little like. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.